Ciao Tesla people. So today I wanted to do a different video. So Tesla has on their website a place where you can suggest a supercharger location. So you can fill up with your first name, last name, and email. You can suggest a location address, and you can tell Tesla why you're suggesting supercharger, and the option are 4 or 5. So you need to get to my travel destination, need at my travel destination, there is no charging in my area, and need more charging in my area, and other. So, and then you can get an update, I guess, via email. So once you suggest this, has here in the note, suggestions will be reviewed upon submission and may be excluded from voting due to the minimum site requirements. New location suggestions may take up to 3 months to be added to the Supercharger map. Okay, which to the map, so a location might happen before. I'm not sure. We'll see. Anyway, so you can do this. My suggestion is to log in into your Tesla account and do this, and then the map. Here is the map. Focusing right now on Europe. There is a list of on a right side, the leaderboard. There is a list of supercharger location, and you can vote. And you can tell here is let me see. In Europe, here there are votes for supercharger locations. Let me see if Italy is there. It should be. I think I saw 2 or 3, something like that. Where is it? Front, Italy. Okay, Lecco. Okay, that's one. Carugate, Italy. So if I zoom in here in Italy, there are 2 or 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So there are no locations like in the center of South Italy. So I suggest everyone that has a Tesla in the center or South Italy to vote. So andate a votare per un supercharger in Italia, nel centro Italia e nel sud Italia. So che ce ne sono diversi, però in alcune zone sono completamente sprovvisti, anche se ci sono persone che hanno una Tesla in queste zone qui, specialmente lungo le autostrade, anche se non è proprio dentro l'autostrada, ma al di fuori dell'autostrada. Vediamo un po', eccole qui. Queste sono le locations in Italia. Quindi come per esempio qui Umbria, Abruzzo, e poi c'è il Molise, cioè la parte interna è praticamente sprovvista. All'Aquila per esempio non c'è niente. Avezzano, Sulmona, Roccaraso, Isernia, Campobasso non ci sono superchargers. Questa qui che cos'è? Un supercharger, Carzoli. Ok, comunque non ci sono centro e sud Italia, le location per supercharger non ci sono. Quindi tutti quelli che hanno una Tesla e sono del centro e sud Italia dovrebbero votare per una location. Almeno questo è il suggerimento. So let me get back to English. So here I'm just checking out Italy because I'm from Italy. So in Florence there is a location, but I was looking at the map that in the center, if you notice here in this location here, between Rome and Pescara or Foggia, there are not many. It's unfortunate because these places are really cool because there are lots of national parks. And also down here in Calabria, in Puglia, there are very few. So it should they should add more location, supercharger location. Anyway, so I just wanted to do a video by showcasing that Tesla has a suggestion page here. It's the suggestion page. So you go to tesla.com/ it's in English, but it's suggestion dash superchargers. You fill up and you can suggest location. And this is the map where you can figure out where are the location and the votes for each location. Thank you. Use my referral, Tesla referral, if you want to get supercharger kilometers. And I have all the other links on my accessories that I install on my Model Y. And I'll see you next video. Ciao, Tesla people.